Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing for precision. Duplicate the background layer so you can always revert, and zoom to 100% to see skin texture. Use a soft elliptical lasso or a low-opacity brush to roughly select the dark circles only, keeping the selection slightly inside the shadow edge so you avoid brightening the cheek. Once you have that selection, feather it by 1540 pixels depending on resolution so the correction blends naturally. This prevents hard edges and preserves skin transitions while you begin tonal adjustments. You now refine tone and texture together. Add a curves or levels adjustment clip to your selection and lift midtones slowly, typically 3 to 10%, so you don't wash out the area. Then protect texture. Use frequency separation or a subtle clone/stamp at low opacity to retain pores and fine detail. Make sure to paint the adjustment onto the mask with a soft brush and variable opacity between 20 and 70%. This lets you blend the corrected area into surrounding skin without making it look flat or retouched. You finish by matching color and ensuring a seamless blend. Add a color balance or selective color adjustment to reduce cool blue or purple tones slightly and nudge the warmth toward natural skin tones. If needed, apply a tiny Gaussian blur, 0.5 to 2 px, only on a low opacity duplicate to soften any remaining edge. Alternatively, use a very subtle dodge on midtones. If you see halos or loss of detail, make sure to lower the correction layer opacity or carefully erase mask edges. That usually fixes overcorrection.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.